Hey everybody, welcome back for another video. So I just got these windshield bags installed on a 2004 Electra Glide. Benlari sent these to me because I bought and installed some blinkers for my 2014, and they saw that video and they said, hey, would you mind doing a review on our windshield bags? I said, absolutely, send them. So here it is. I just got it installed, so stick with me, take a look. Oh, hey, the link will be in the description below as to where you can get one of these. Everybody, welcome back for another video. If you remember, I did a quick video not too long ago about installing the blinkers on the Ultra Classic. This is a 14 model, and the company contacted me and said, hey, would you like to do a review on our windshield bags? I said sure. So they sent me the bags. However, it's not for this bike. It's for the other bike over there. So let me get that all set up and we'll go over there and see about checking this thing out. Okay, here we are. Let's check out this windshield bag from Benlari. So it says it is the Benlari windshield. Fits models 96 through 2013. What we've got here is a 2014 Electra Glide Standard, and this was my dad's bike, and something happened to the engine, so I was going to see about getting it fixed, and turns out it's going to cost about 3 times more than the bike's worth. So we are going to put a new motor in it and or rebuild the one that's in there. So I've been collecting parts for it. We just haven't got to the opportunity to get starting on this project, but this is one of the items I wanted to get for the bike. So let's take a look. Hey Benlari, I know you're watching. If you're going to promote one of the windshield bags for the 2014, anything that you want to send me for that, I will be glad to check out. But anyway, let's check this thing out. So we've got, oh, okay, so they even snap off of there. They got snaps. So they come right off. There's an extra little tether on there. They got drains in them down in the bottom of the bag in case they get wet. Okay. Big one in the center for your sunglasses. That one does not come off. That one does not have a... and this one here, this one also does not come off, but it does have a tether so that it can be lifted up. So let's see what it's going to take to get it in here. So I already had the windshield off on this bike. Let me get a bit here. Find out. Okay, so the bit we're looking for is a what is that? T27. It looks like. Take the screws out, loosen them up. Okay, windshield's off. I'm going to go ahead and take them all the way out so I can get the maximum amount of spread between the inner and outer. Get the bags down in there. Good fit. There we go. Look at that. Sweet. Okay, that's a good fit there. I'll bring you around the other side in a minute to show you. Let's go ahead and put the windshield back in. Now eventually, this bike is going to end up with a tinted windshield, much shorter, something like this one here. This is kind of a long one. I use this one on the 2014 for really long rides, a lot of highway driving. This really blocks a lot of air. Around town, I utilize the short one. And this windshield is a stock windshield from the 2004. Great fitment on that. Okay, let's get in and check it out a little closer. Okay, that's what she looks like from the front. Nice and dark. Now if you had that tinted windshield, that would look pretty sweet. That's the look that I like. Let's get around this side. Okay, so see where those had that, they come loose? So it fits over the top of the inside liner there, but it doesn't block your view for anything. Man, these are really nice. And this is magnetic here. So a buddy of mine has a set of these, and he keeps his garage door opener in there. Keeps your riding glasses in there. You can keep whatever you want over there. But yeah, there you go. That's what they look like from the cockpit. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. And if you like this sort of thing and reviews and products and things like that, like, subscribe. Plenty more coming up. I've got lots of projects. We've got the Jeep project over here. Going to be doing some work on some quads, some motorsport work, and then I don't know if you can see it over there, right there. That's the 31 Vicky coming up this summer. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.